Great pleasure to welcome our guests, our principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, on behalf of Edify International School for celebrating this 74th Independence Day. It gives me immense pleasure on the eve of 15th August Independence Day with the excitement of unfurling the tricolor, taking part and listening patriotic song. Today, we gratefully remember our freedom fighters whose sacrifices will never be forgotten. The ethos of our freedom struggle formed the foundation of modern India. On this day, without taking the name of Mahatma Gandhi, all involved in this movement would be incomplete, as all became the guiding light of our freedom movement. Due to this pandemic, we are missing our students, President and all other directors. I wish them a happy Independence Day. I request all who are present here to pray for the Almighty to overcome this pandemic and bless them with a good health. I thank all the staff who work behind the screen to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I am here representing our President and other members who were unable to come today. Honorable School Director and our Director of Trust, Shri Vijay Patil ji, our Principal, Anna Dias ma'am, our staff and our D category working staff. I wish you all happy 74th Independence Day. Today, this is our second annual day of Edify International School and first Independence Day where we are celebrating it without much of our directors and our children who couldn't make it due to pandemic and this COVID-19. And as we have been progressing with our academics, without students, we are trying hard to complete the syllabus, to fulfill the promises what we have made to the parents and ourselves, that will provide them with good education in all whatsoever let be the circumstances. I really appreciate the efforts made by the principal and all you people. And another thing is what I wanted you people to know is about the national education policy. That is the biggest thing that has come up in this education field, because we all are connected with education. So ma'am, I would request you that you need to have one session with all these staff where they should on themselves study about education policy and give you their feedbacks. There have been a big turnover. It's a big U-turn for all the schools. For us and many schools like us where we have been providing CBSE and IGCSE programs, it's not a big thing. But for students and the parents, they will be coming to you, to the principal ma'am or to the school directors or any one of us. So we need to have a detailed study about this national education policy, which is going to be launched very soon. The cabinet has passed it, but there are many things which are very complicated also. So many educationists, many intellectuals, they are regularly on this, they are regularly working on this. So I would request you all to please go through that policy documents. If you are unable to understand, please take help of the principal or the school director. You can contact anybody of us. Even we want to bring someone from education department who can brief you, all of us. So, and another thing is, like in this pandemic, please kindly be safe, be home and have social distancing, use sanitizers and take care of yourself, your people, you are there in your home. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
In our culture, it's a good omen that when it rains, it's good for all of us. I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of you present here and all the citizens of India throughout this world on the 74th Independence Day. Congratulations to you all. Friends, ma'am has very well said about freedom. I don't think I will talk much about it. To get this freedom, lakhs of Indians, they have fought. And because of that, we are independent today. And it becomes our bond duty to maintain it constitutionally. And each one of us to try to maintain it.
Good morning. A very happy Independence Day on the 74th year of independence. In spite of all the problems that are there in our country, particularly Corona, all Indians, all of us stand united in expressing our love and loyalty to our nation. Our country means the most to us. It is in free India that we have achieved whatever we have. Our young students, who will be the future of this country, will understand the wealth this country offers to them and rise up to ensure that this country will prosper. Once again, a very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. On this occasion, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Amarasam Sir, Vice President of our Edify International School, and our directors, Mr. Vijay Patil Sir and Mujahid Sir. Thank you, sir, on behalf of our